case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1992, the United States District Court for the Southern District of New York presided over a case between Coors Brewing Company and Anheuser-Busch Companies, Inc. The lawsuit centered on false and misleading advertising, with Coors accusing Anheuser-Busch and their advertising agency Darcy Macias Benton and Bowles of creating ads that suggested Natural Light beer was fresher than Coors Light. Coors claimed the ads violated various laws and requested a preliminary injunction to halt their circulation, though this was denied by the court. Anheuser-Busch contested the allegations, arguing that the plaintiff's evidence of consumer confusion was unreliable and that their ad was not misleading. Both Coors Light and Natural Light are produced using high-gravity brewing but are processed differently. Coors Light requires blending with water to decrease the alcohol content, while Natural Light is pasteurized and fully processed within regional breweries. The advertising campaign compared these processes and promoted Natural Light over Coors Light. Ultimately, the court denied Coors' request to stop Anheuser-Busch from using the Natural Light commercial, reasoning that the hardships between the two brewing giants were evenly balanced, and Coors failed to demonstrate a decisive advantage. Additionally, the court ruled that Coors did not meet the standard required for injunctive relief, and their state law claims lacked a likelihood of success.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.